everyone, it's Catherine again, here with Coupon Card Club, just with a quick video on giving you some updates on what's happening in the coupon world. Hi everyone, it's Muffins from me.
Hi everyone, it's Catherine again.
Originally $6.99. When you come visit, it's Free Stuff Friday. Alright, here we go. So if you guys haven't been paying attention to what's going on in the news, you know, a lot of things have been happening in our coupon world. So the first thing I do want to talk about is I had ordered some coupons because I order them usually from my ferry, usually Friday night. And usually they get shipped out Saturday, and then I usually get them either Monday or Tuesday the latest. Now I ordered these bad boys the weekend of the 29th, and she said that she actually wouldn't be able to ship out the coupons until Monday. So I was like, okay, that's okay. I guess that means that I'll get them either Tuesday or Wednesday. I actually didn't get these coupons until yesterday, and I was very, very upset. So I can't even order from my ferry anymore because the mail is just like all over the place. This is the inserts from March 29th. So just so you guys can have an understanding of how the mail is working right now. And usually it comes super quickly. Sometimes it does come quicker than usually what she says. So usually if it gets sent out on Saturday, I'll get it like Monday morning, only because we don't get like mail on Sunday. We only get like Amazon stuff or like FedEx gets delivered usually on Sundays, but not like regular USPS. So I always pay for like the express shipping, and I just didn't get it. So you know what that meant. Last week I actually didn't do any couponing. I was supposed to do like a COVID-19 haul, but I didn't have the chance to because I didn't get my coupons. I actually didn't get them until yesterday, so I was really upset. It was like so chaotic. At first they said that they weren't going to deliver it, so I went to the post office. As soon as I go to the post office, I refresh and it says it's on the truck, so I go back home and then it got delivered, and it was a complete mess and chaos. I was just so frustrated. So it'll be lucky if I actually do a haul this week because you know, Passover starts Wednesday night, which is tonight, but you know, I have no idea. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'll figure it out and I'll let you guys know. So make sure that you check out my Instagram. I'll put it right here, and you guys check it out, see if I do any hauls or any DIY videos for this week before the week is over. Alright, then I want to talk about coupon in the news. I feel like this video is just gonna be a sad video, and I'm so sorry. I'm gonna try to make another video and make it happy-go-lucky, but kind of don't really have too much of good news for this video, unfortunately. So next up, couponing in the news. Smart Source and Checkout 51 actually have been sold, so we're kind of in a quo of whether they are going to continue to have their inserts. As you can see, a lot of the stuff I have was Retail Me Not. I did get a Smart Source, so we're just on the hold to see if there's going to be any more Smart Sources going to be delivered, or if they're going to continue to do it. For the people who are just like, well, why do you order inserts? Why don't you just go get your newspapers or use IPs, which are printable coupons that we usually get from coupons.com. I do also have a list of other websites where you can get printable coupons from, but me personally, I like inserts more, only because sometimes their values are higher when you go couponing, and you can get more quantity, I guess, because usually when you print an IP you can only get 2. There are some people out there who print more than 2, but I'm not a part of that life, and I don't recommend it. That will get you fed time, so cut it out. Cut it out. They'll get you in jail. You'll be locked up. Like we're already locked up right now in this whole quarantine thing. I'm so sorry. Ooh. Okay. But yeah, so we're just like in a quote what Smart Source and Checkout 51 are going to be doing. Right now they do still have their offers that they are having, so I don't know if it's going to be a little bump or a little glitch on what's going on, but we're just keeping it holding. All right, so General Mills pulled back on their coupons. So a lot of the General Mills coupons, you're actually going to see them dwindling down only because of what's happening in the news. They're a little worried about the repercussions, which gets into my next thought, is that more and more big stores are no longer accepting paper coupons at all. You will have to go through their digital programs in order to get discounts off. So for instance, if you have a BJ's, which is like a Costco's here on the East Coast, they are no longer accepting paper coupons. They're not even accepting the paper coupons from their booklets. So they're no longer going to be printing them and doing all of that. They don't accept manufacturer coupons at all. If it's a paper coupon, it's not going to happen. You have to sign up for their digital program, and then it'll automatically upload to your card. Also, some CVS's have been noted that they are no longer accepting paper coupons, so please just call ahead of time before you plan out your hauls and go out there, just to make sure that you're not wasting your time cutting your coupons and, you know, doing all of that, because that's a waste of time. And I would be so sad if you got there to CVS and there's signs everywhere that saying we're no longer accepting paper coupons, because that'll break my heart. My CVS still is taking coupons right now, so I still have, you know, I guess a couple of weeks and they'll be okay, but other than that, I have no idea what's going to happen or what's going to go on. I did want to do like a cut with me coupon video, but unfortunately because of the circumstances and because this took so long, I kind of think that it doesn't do justice to do the inserts from this time. But if you guys do want to see a video like that, make sure that you place it down in the comments down below, and I will definitely do it for you guys. All right, next up, what is it? The owners of American News advertisement, I think it's they own the inserts. They're going to slow down and putting their inserts into newspapers. Where I live, we actually stopped selling newspapers probably back in the end of January. So that's why I went back to ordering my coupons. So they're actually going to be slowing down putting those inserts and coupons. So this is like gold right now. This is gold. Because this is about to be, they're trying to like completely eliminate it right now because of what's going on. But girl, these are usually where the best coupons are, so I'm kind of sad and a little heartbroken. But you know, let me know your thoughts, because this is cool, y'all. Alright, thank you so much for listening and watching. For my friends who want to join our Facebook group, I'll place the link down below. And if we ever do get back to having meetings, or if you want us to have a digital meeting, we can definitely do that. All you have to do is send me a quick email at couponcarclub@gmail.com. Alright, beautiful people, I guess this is goodbye until next time. See you soon. Bye.